The United States is tightening the screws on Chinese technology once again. In a major national security move, the Trump administration has announced a ban on new imports of Chinese-made humanoid robots, robot dogs, and connected power inverters. The restrictions were unveiled by the Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, which says the devices pose growing cybersecurity and supply chain risks to critical American infrastructure. Power inverters may not be household names, but they play a crucial role in connecting solar panels, battery storage systems, and renewable energy projects to the electricity grid. Officials fear that network-connected inverters could become entry points for cyber attacks capable of disrupting power supplies or exposing sensitive infrastructure. The same concerns now extend to advanced robots, which are becoming increasingly capable thanks to artificial intelligence. According to the FCC, these machines collect vast amounts of environmental and operational data, creating potential opportunities for surveillance, espionage, or even remote manipulation by hostile actors. The move is part of Washington's broader strategy to reduce dependence on Chinese technology in sectors considered vital to America's future economic and national security. The Trump administration says secure domestic supply chains are essential as AI-powered industries expand rapidly across the United States. The new restrictions apply only to future product models that have not yet entered the U.S. market. Previously approved devices will remain unaffected for now, although regulators have indicated they retain the authority to review or revoke existing authorizations if necessary. The ban is expected to hit Chinese robotics companies particularly hard. Industry analysts say China currently dominates the global humanoid robotics market, with companies such as Unitree emerging as leading manufacturers. Chinese inverter giants, including Huawei and Sungrow, are also expected to be affected as Washington seeks alternatives from non-Chinese suppliers. Beijing has strongly criticized the decision. Chinese officials have urged Washington to abandon what they describe as discriminatory trade practices and warned that China will safeguard the legitimate interests of its companies.
China always firmly opposes the U.S., overstretching the concept of national security to suppress Chinese companies. Protectionism will not make the U.S. more competitive, and it will only hurt U.S. companies and consumers. China will continue to take necessary measures to firmly defend the legitimate and lawful rights and interests of Chinese companies.
The latest restrictions add another chapter to the intensifying technology rivalry between the world's two largest economies. From semiconductors and artificial intelligence to drones, telecommunications equipment, and now robotics and renewable energy hardware, strategic technology has become the newest battlefield in the US-China competition. As Washington expands its campaign to secure critical technologies, the latest restrictions signal that the US-China tech confrontation is entering a new phase, one where artificial intelligence, robotics, and energy infrastructure are increasingly viewed through the lens of national security.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.